Hello every students. Our today's quiz is subject verb agreement. Our first question. A great poet and essayist dash died. Options are had, has, have. The correct option is has. Here a great poet and essayist are considered as one person. They are a singular identity. Our second question, bread and butter dash my favorite. Options are, am, is. The correct option is. Bread and butter, they are considered as one item or commodity. So we use is, not are. Our third question, 10 kilometers dash a good distance. Here we use it as singular subject. We are not using 10 kilometers as plural. So the correct option is out of is, are, were. Our fourth question, Gulliver's Travels dash an interesting story. Gulliver's Travels dash an interesting story. Options are is, was, are. The correct option is. Because it is an interesting story, it was an interesting story, and it will be an interesting story. Some universal truth, when expressed, they are always expressed in simple present tense. Like the sun shines every day. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Our fifth question, the bus with all its passengers dash to be veering off the road. Options are seem, seems, seeming, and the correct option is seems. Here the subject is the bus, not the passengers, and bus is singular. Therefore, we are using the plural form of the verb seem. That is seems. She, along with her friends, dash joining us shortly. Options are, were, is. The correct option is. She, along with her friends, is joining us shortly. Here the subject is singular. That's why we are using the option is. Divya, as well as her sisters, dash interested in buying this property. The options are is, are, was. And the correct option is. Divya, as well as her sisters, is interested in buying this property. Here Divya is considered as the subject and each of her sisters are interested. So we are taking the verb of singular form, not plural form. Each boy dash got experience. Options are had, has, have. The correct option is has, because boy is a singular noun and here each and every boy is identified. That's why we are using has. Neither of us dash able to control the situation. Options was, were, are. The correct option is was. Here subject is singular. How? Let me explain. Neither of us means here we are talking about each and every individual. Means not a single person was able to control the situation. So every person is identified here as singular. That's why the correct option is was. Each of them dash left without permission. Each of them. Each here considers singular, though there is them written in this case, but we will focus on each. That's why out of the options has, have, were, we will use the option has, which is singular. So each of them has left without permission. The United States dash a big country. The United States dash a big country. The correct option is out of the options are, is, was. Here, United States, as we know, is one country. It is not a separate country. So we are using the option is. The conduct of students dash something that matters. Here, conduct of students, we are not talking about students, we are talking about conduct, which is an abstract noun and which is also in the singular form. Therefore, out of the options are, is, was, we will use the option is. The conduct of students is something that matters. Time and tide dash for none. Waits, wait, waiting. Here time and tide, they are considered together. Tide and time, they work together. They are not considered as different items. So instead of using wait or waiting, we will use waits, which is considered as simple present, because here time and tide are being used in the context as singular noun. The side effects of this medicine dash serious. Here, the side effects. Now, effects can be one or more than one, but we are writing here as effects, so it is of course more than one, which is considered as plural. 2 or 3 effects of the medicine is possibly to be happen on the particular person. So out of the options is, are, where, we are using the option are. The side effects of this medicine are serious. Neither my parents nor I dash to be blamed for the loss. Here, neither means we are not talking here collectively. We are talking either parents or I, no one is to be blamed and everyone is considered as singular. So the subject here is singular, though it seems that it is plural. So the correct option is neither of my parents nor I is to be blamed for the loss. Out of the options is, are, were. Now one question in the homework. Measles dash a dangerous disease. Options are, is, are, was. Now check out whether measles is a singular noun or plural noun. According to that, you will use the verb. And subject-verb agreement means the verb should agree with the subject. If subject is singular, verb will be plural. If subject is plural, verb will be singular. Mention the answer in the comment box. And for such interesting videos, like, subscribe and share.